alkaline spring water that Dr. Sebi recommend. This is the spring water. I'm going to come a bit closer and I'll show you. Natural spring water, and you can see it clear, family. So if you want to go on that 30-day cleanse and that detox, then you know that spring water is what you should be drinking. And I can tell you guys, water get no natural and full of mineral than this water right now. And if you're in Jamaica, trust me, if you live in the countryside, I am sure you will be able to find a spring. You'll be able to find a spring near you that you can get natural alkaline spring water, family. So I just want to do this video, guys, to show you that, you know, how I get my spring water and the type of water I drink. And if you go on that cleanse and that detox, I know, you know, if you're in other country, you might not be able to find no spring water. But I'm sure if you go into your grocery and your supermarket, you will find spring water, family. But we're going to do a retreat out in Jamaica where you will be able to come out and do the cleanse and detox on site with only fruits, juice, smoothies and veggies, family. So we want to actually come and let you guys know that, you know, this water is good water, is natural water, is the best water on earth. And if we stay at this pump so long, you will see a lot of people come full water. People say them drinking this water for over 50, 30 and 40 odd years because this is real and natural water. So today I start to do a video. You will see a few people stop by. Full up them thing, full up them water, family. So as you can see, this is what it looks like with the natural alkaline spring water from the fountain of nature. Yeah, General.
Where from there?
Yeah, man.
My mineral, you know?
Yeah. Natural. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, this is
from the fountain, you know?
Fountain. Tell him.
From the fountain.
Yeah. Respect, General.
Thanks.
Yeah. So as you can see, guys.
Yeah, man.
Some Jamaican apple, some orange, key lime, fam. How we do it in Jamaica, some native coconut. How I do it in Jamaica, family, I drive around and just buy fruits. Drive around and buy fruits. Drive around and buy fruits. Yep. This is Ankeru, veganchoicefoods.com. Much love, much respect, one love from Jamaica. Get Dr. Sebi approved herbs from veganchoicefoods.com.